Hello and welcome to Top and Best in Everything. Today we will talk about Getresponse. We have chosen Getresponse for today's video because it provides multiple features. Whatever you need in digital marketing you can find in Getresponse. Before start the video, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do it. We bring amazing content like this in every video. With that being said, let's start today's video. Getresponse labels itself as the world's easiest email marketing software to use, to send out email newsletters, campaigns, online surveys and follow-up autoresponders. Getresponse offers plenty of powerful features that have exceeded what most marketers would expect from an email marketing service provider. There are a lot of unique features that make Getresponse stand out, not least of which are the landing page creator and the ability to engage your contacts through live webinars. Getresponse offers a variety of premium email marketing plans. There's also a free trial plan that you can try for free for 30 days and build an email list of up to 250 subscribers. Link will be in the description, so don't forget to check it. With more than 15 years in the industry, Getresponse has grown to become one of the easiest to use platforms for creating and tracking email campaigns, creating landing pages that convert, creating marketing automation that enables you to individual target customers with information that's relevant and valuable to them. The company has won multiple awards and has been featured on CNN, Forbes, and Huffington Post, among many other media outlets. Getresponse serves more than 350,000 paying customers in 182 countries around the world and reports over 1 billion subscribers every month. When it comes to features, Getresponse offers so many useful functions that you'll be spoiled for choice. Of course, some features are only available with specific plans. The following are the main features to expect from this autoresponder program regardless of the package that you choose to settle for. 1. Autoresponder 2.0. Getresponse provides the 2.0 autoresponder, which automatically sends out messages based on certain factors. For example, you can set up the autoresponder to send out newsletters on a specific date or broadcast special promotional messages to subscribers on their birthdays. Getresponse even throws in some detailed guides on how to use their 2.0 autoresponder, which will help you increase subscriber engagement. 2. Email Editor. As with most email marketing systems, Getresponse features an email creation tool. The email creator editor lets you compose messages from scratch or choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates. Other handy features that come with the Getresponse email creator include the ability to edit HTML code or preview the message before sending, as well as the spam checker tool. Once you're done creating your email message, you can broadcast the message immediately to selected contacts. Alternatively, you can use the time travel feature to send messages at a later time. This tool segments contacts by time zone, then delivers messages when recipients are likely to check their mail. 3. Landing page creator. Getresponse goes beyond providing autoresponder services. It also offers the landing page creator as an extra tool should you require such a feature. However, this comes at an additional cost. Getresponse is flexible with its landing page creator in that you can choose to host your page for free on a Getresponse subdomain or on a different server of your own choosing. The landing page creator is very intuitive as well. It lets users edit page elements with easy-to-use drag and drop tools. 4. A/B split testing. You can use Getresponse to run a series of tests that will help you send the most effective messages to contacts. This can be achieved through A/B split tests that let you try out different newsletters, subject line variants, email content, time of sending, and many other factors. 5. RSS to email. The RSS to email feature automatically sends messages to your blog audience every time you post a new article. Not only does this feature increase readership, but it can also boost engagement and conversions when used properly. Let's take a closer look at some of Getresponse's other features. Much like the landing page and email creators, it's a great tool for creating sign-up forms for Facebook and websites. The autoresponder automatically sends opt-in messages whenever new contacts subscribe to your email list. The inbox preview feature is a fantastic addition for those who pay great attention to detail. It lets you get a preview of how email messages will look on different mobile and desktop devices as well as various email client programs. Before sending the message, you can also run a spam check scan. This gives a spam score after detecting elements that might get your messages flagged as spam. The customer support service from Getresponse is generally good. Although there are a handful of negative reviews on the web, the vast majority of customers rate the company's support services highly. In fact, Getresponse won the 2013 Bronze Stevie Award in categories such as Customer Service Team of the Year, Customer Service Department of the Year, Best Use of Technology in Customer Support and Innovation in Customer Service. Getresponse's support team can be reached via phone, weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alternatively, live chat and email support are available the 24th of July 365. Messages sent using the contact form are replied to via email. The Getresponse Learning Center has plenty of helpful resources, such as 1 to 3 minute video tutorials and searchable FAQs in addition to downloadable white papers, manuals and reports. What Getresponse lacks in forum support it more than makes up for with its weekly live webinars. Live webinars educate users on different aspects of using the Getresponse autoresponder and email marketing in general. Getresponse takes customer support where most online marketers like to hang out, social media. Its support team sometimes responds to comments and questions on Facebook. Every week, Getresponse publishes blog posts on its site to share tips and discuss trending topics in the email marketing scene. The blog provides great support for those who want to keep up with the latest trends in email marketing. As we said in starting, Getresponse is all-in-one tool. Did you understand why we said that? You can start your Getresponse free trials today. Link will be in the description, so don't forget to check it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if get some valuable information from it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. This is all for today. See you all in the next video. Till then, be safe and keep learning.